58 wave 0 gain master. I have more power to put on here, but I don't dare to do it because I don't want to break my antenna. The limit on the antenna is about 500 watt here, and the wing, the big bit over 600 there, so I have to turn it down a bit, the power, so that's the reason I'm using only 300 to 400 watt here. And this should take the moment. The transceiver I'm using is a Canwa 10 UZ 870. The microphone I'm using is a headset from Hail Sound. And the amp I'm using is a Supercamp Fox Lima 2277 Baker. That's my equipment I'm using at my side. Yeah, but I guess I think the very good shape today. I've been going better and better and better the further the day going here. And especially the one thing I think is strange that because Europe going the same strong like UK do. Usually it should be some difference here, but I haven't been there so far. I mean, when UK coming through, I used not hear anything from Europe and the same thing about the way that when Europe coming through, I don't hear anything from UK there, but right now I can hear the same strongest in both directions there. So that's very strange there, but it's very nice there when the propagation is low. Good talk. I hope you still hear me there late. So I will need the microphone to back to here 26 Alpha Tango 106 21 Tango Mike 016 listing over.
Yeah, yes, all okay, Bo. Yeah, conditions just dropped slightly as they were, but seems to be the normal, just very strong and then dropping down, so hopefully you can still hear me, but I'm using a bit less power than you this way, using 100 whiskies with the Zetagi B300P. Zetagi B300P linear. Transceiver is the Superstar 6900 November, and the microphone is a Mass KM550 power microphone. The antenna is the Antron 99. And yeah, conditions have been a bit strange. It was quite good a few days ago, then it's dropped down, but I say it seems to just come out of nowhere. There was nothing on the triple, and then a bunch of stations started calling there, so hopefully you can still hear me there, Bo. 016106, Roger.
But I did hear one thing that you said you're into 99. I think you're the third or second one that spoke today using this antenna. And I have all myself antenna 9 before. But I have a problem with it because I make too much interference to my neighbors. That's the reason that I don't own it for any longer. Many years ago I had to have this antenna 99. But now I'm using the Gain Master. And I really like that. I really like that antenna, Gain Master. Only mine I can think about, that is the power limiter, only power in the water. So that's the only mine I can see on the Gain Master. But the antenna 9 is a pretty good one there because you can use a lot of power on it. Back to you, Delio.
Yeah, yes, I know people have had a problem with the Gain Master with power. I don't think. I'm not sure they can take much more than 400 whiskies there. I'm not too sure. I've never had one myself, but I know the work very well. But I just use the Antron. Had the antenna up for about 5 years now, and no problem with wind. I know they're not the best antenna. I think the IMAX and that are better. The 827, but they don't look too bad either on the side of the house. So no complaints from the neighbours. But the transceiver this way, if you didn't get it on the last over. Transceiver this way is the Superstar 6900 November with a Mass KM550 power microphone. Bo, go ahead.
Yeah, Mr. Nice setup you have. Congratulations to that setup you have. It sounds pretty good, that's for sure. And good signals from you down now, so very good audio as well. The one most important that your audio is very, very clear, like a local station you saw there. Even better. Yeah, about the Gain Master here. Like I said, I'm using about 300 to 400 right now here, but I know the limit is about 500 watts here. I've been turning for 1 second here. With the limit. with the EX call there. Hope we get some more. We're listening around here. We can catch up in my filter. So this is 73. Have a bit of further Sunday evening. And hope to catch you soon again. Thanks for the nice shot. And I really enjoy it. 26 off of Tango 106, Mr. Lee. This is 21, Tango Mike 016. Cheers for that.
Yeah, okay, Bo, thanks for coming back to the call. Nice to copy 21 Division. You just dipped down there, but the conditions just picked up at the end. So, yeah, we'll bid 73s. Thanks for coming back, and we'll hope to meet you on the band again. If you want any more information on me, I'm on Google. Just put 26AT106 there. And I do some videos for YouTube. I've got you on a video, so I'll post you up on YouTube in a bit there if you don't mind there. 73s there, 21 Tango Mike 016, 26AT106 off and clear. All the best there, Bo. Thanks for the call.
Yeah, copy there. Yeah, really nice to hear that. I have been listening for that for a long time. Someone would tell that I have done some recording for YouTube there, so I'm quite glad that you did that. So I will look up that your call there and look at YouTube. That's very nice. I will be surely like that, so you will see who I am there. Okay, take care for now, Lee. Thank you very much. Have a good time. 2 seconds off the Tango 106, 21, Tango Mike 016. Bye-bye.
Yeah, okay, Bo. Yeah, I'll upload the video now straight off my phone. I'm just recording it off the Galaxy S3 now. I've only just got it, so it's in HD, so it might take a while, but we'll get it up there. You check it later on. 73s, all the best, and pleasure was all mine, and we'll hope to copy you again. Bye-bye.